Hi guys, Meteor has built-in package called account UI. After adding that package, you will get a drop-down UI which you can use to log into your account and do the stuff. But if you want to create your own login pages and sign up forms, then follow me. First, I'm going to create an application, the accounts test, and name it as and first thing we need to do is removing auto publish and insecure packages. To create an authentication system, first we need to add accounts base and accounts password package. Yeah, those packages are added. Let me add bootstrap 3 packages also. Yeah, I'm running the package application. I'm gonna delete this code. It's clear. Okay. If current user, if there are any users currently logged into your applications, then display logout form, else display the login form. And in the if current user returns the current logged in user information. If there are no users, then we are displaying no users logged in, then we are displaying login form. Otherwise we are displaying logout form. Let me create those two templates. Template name equal to first logout form. Yeah, I will copy and paste some forms here. Here I am also adding sign up form. For registering new users. Yeah, this is a simple template. Just we are giving title and we are taking in username, email, password, and full name data from user, and this is a submit button, and this is a login form. Here we just have username and password, then the submit button to log into your system. If user logins, we are displaying logout form. This is a simple form, simple logout button. After clicking the button, user can log out of this option, log out of this application. Here we are displaying the name of the login user. Current user has the currently logged in user information, and from that information we are displaying his name and saying, hey Sasi, log out from your application. Yeah, that's it. I want these forms to be side by side, so I'm doing a bit of styling here. Yeah, I put them in a container, and I want to show login form sign up from side by side. Yeah. Let us now create write functions for submit events. In client side, for the template dot sign up form dot events. Let's go to sign up form and take this ID, submit. On this form submission, I want to run this function which takes two parameters. First, I am writing prevent default, so our browser will not redirect to another URL. And Meteor accounts API has a function called accounts dot create user function, which takes arguments as username, so and so, password, some password, and email. These are all the parameters, and profile is the object. Yeah, we get username from this tag. T dot find username. Okay, this dot value. Let me copy this. Here we are writing callback. If there is any error, we are displaying, we are alerting the user with that particular user error by saying account is not created. Yeah, as you can see, there are no users are logging into the system. We are come up with login form and sign up form. Here I am giving my information. As you can see, I am able to log into my application. Let's write sign up form for logout. Complete dot logout form dot events of submit of the form name is logout form. On submission of this logout form, I want to run this function, just implementing the default action for not redirecting to another path. Now just write meteor dot logout. It will just log out the currently logged in user. If there are any errors, we are displaying alert to the user. Unable to log out from the application. Let me test this whether we can do this or not. As you can see, I am able to log out of the application. Now create events for this login form. We are writing events for login form. delete of login form. We got present default and when you add package accounts password, you will have an option with login with password, which takes two parameters. First one is username and password, and then a callback function. If there are any errors, it returns errors. If you error, validating wrong credentials. Here we need to pass username and password to this method. In password.value. Sorry, here I forgot to add hash. I added another account also. I sign up with another email. As I haven't added any validations, you take any ID. Let me log in with those credentials. Yeah, as you can see, I'm able to log into my application. Let me just log out. Yeah, this is login and sign up forms. And by using Meteor API, Accounts API, you can also send password links. I mean, if your user forgot password, we need to display that forgot password form also. And if you click on the forgot password link, and if you come to our application, you need to display the create new password form. Yeah, we are going to create those forms also. Here added another template called recovery. Let me create the template first. Template name recovery. Yeah, here I have added another template to the main body section. So along with login form and sign up form. So whenever you user forgot passwords, here you will have the option to enter his email, and you will send a password reset link to his email. Yeah, let me create that form. Yeah, I have write some code to recovery template. I am explaining this. If reset password, if the URL contains a reset password token, then we are displaying the reset password. New password, change password form. Otherwise, we are going to display forgot password form. How we are going to know that the URL contains reset password token? We are going to write a code. I'm going to tell you how to know whether URL contains password recovery token or not. Template.recovery.helpers. Reset password. Reset password. Here I have written a code. I will explain this. If accounts dot reset password token, this function checks whether there is any reset password token in your URL or not. If there are any if there are any if there are any reset password tokens in our link, it will go to this function. As we have no reset password links, then we are returning this. First of all, let us concentrate on change. Uh, but first of all, let us concentrate on forgot password form. So let's return false. So that this form will be displayed in our application. Yeah, here you can see simple text box to enter your email and send a reset password link to your email. Let me write submit event to this button. This form is recovery form. I'm going to template dot recovery dot events and submit of this form. Pre1 to default. And we are going to and here getting the email of the user to whom we are going to send the password reset link by t.find the name is recovery email. And the value, we are getting that value. And here we have a method called accounts dot forgot password, which will take one parameter email and the callback function error if there are any errors. We are telling the user that unable to send reset link. When we call account.forgot password, it will send reset password link to your email. So we need to set up email. To set up email, first I'm using Mailgun. Go to Mailgun and create an account and create a domain. Here my domain is this my domain, and which will give you SMTP login and password links. So I'm here. So here I am setting my environment mail URL to SMT, my mailgun username, and this is my mailgun password, which will give, this is your mailgun username and this is your mailgun password, and then you need to give the host name and the port. Don't forget that in this login you will get yet replace that symbol with %40. In the user email I want the from address as verification link. So let's try and send verification link. Created 2 accounts, one with cc.com @gmail.com, that is my ID, and another one with xyz@gmail.com. And click on the button. There you can see password reset link sent. First let's go to my mail ID and check whether I got the mail or not. As you can see, I got the mail. Here you can see you can see the message to reset your password. Simply click on this link below. I'm copying that link and pasting it here. As I'm not working locally, here I'm giving my path specify the team.od.io:3000. It is not displaying change password form. Why? Because here we just simply returning false. Let me write actual code here. If accounts dot reset password link, that means your URL has reset password link, then we are setting reset pass variable as true. Here we are returning that variable reset pass. Here I am by default setting this value to false in meteor.start function. Yeah, that means if it is a password reset URL, it will return false, and otherwise it will return true. Now we will take that link and copy it, and here just here I'm not working on localhost. I'm giving my host, sorry, here it is not a link, password reset token. Let me give the names, password change, this was forgot password. Here I'm copying this reset password link and paste it here. As I'm not working on local, I'm giving my host As you can see, it displayed password change form. Now I will give my password, and now we need to write action to this change password here. Yeah, as it is in recovery template, I'm adding it here. Submit new password. Preventing the default action. We are taking the new password value. We dot find the ID name is new password dot value, and accounts dot reset password, which takes two arguments. First one is reset password token. We need to set reset password token here. After checking that whether the URL has reset password token or not, if there is a reset password token, we are saving it in a session variable. Reset token, name is reset token. We need to change it to get reset token and new password value, new pass, and the callback. If there are any errors, we are alerting the users. Password not changed, else password changed successfully. Yeah. Let's check the application. Yeah, if I give password reset link sent. Let me take this and paste it here and change this to my host. Okay. As you can see, my password is reset and automatically login. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more videos.